Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this small to medium size pet stroller over here that goes up to 33 pounds. So I wanted to take Minnie out. We took her already on this one for like twice already, and she really liked it. But it's been raining for days now, like 3 days or something like that. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna make the video indoors, and then probably later I'm gonna do like another video outdoors. But this one, it is super easy to assemble. It's kind of like, actually, you don't have to assemble there anything. It comes like folded, so you can fold it and unfold it as many times you want. The only thing you will have to do is kind of like retrain this one kind of like to the back because it's retractable. I'm gonna let Minnie out in a few seconds just to show you how that one works. But the good thing about this one, so as you can see, super lightweight, just like this, super lightweight. It comes right here with a place for a cup holder, not one but two cup holders. Comes with the instruction manuals over here, so you will not have any issue with comprehending how this one works. And this right here on the back, right here, let me actually show you in a closer look. So we're gonna let Minnie out first. As you can see, comes with one on the back, one access on the back, and one here on top. So let's actually let her out right here from the back. Hey, you wanna go out? You wanna go out, sweetie? Maybe she doesn't want to. It's really nice. It comes with this pad over here with this really soft. Maybe she doesn't want to go out. Well, let's actually see what's going on here. So as I was just telling you before, really good right here that comes with two locks. So you can actually lock that one and lock that one. So this thing won't move at all. So that is a really good thing if you want to put them in a position that you don't want them to move. So that is actually really good. And then you just put them back and moves back again. So let's actually close this one. Let's see if we can close it before she actually goes out. You're gonna see that comes with a pocket right here for your stuff, a really nice and breathable mesh over here. I don't know what she's doing, but the best thing about this one, besides this really nice breathable mesh as well, is that you have this other access over here, so you can just move the whole thing. And that's it. So you're gonna have this access over here. As I was just telling you before, you have this place for your pets, which is gonna be up to 33 pounds and about, I wanna say like small to medium sized cat. She's a 12-pound cat. So you're gonna see that you can use this one for small dogs as well. And of course, as I was just telling you before, right here, you have for the cup holders, not one but two, and your phone as well. And last but no least, this right here comes with more room right here for storage. Whoa, that was good. So as I was just telling you before, this one could be a really good one for outdoors and just taking your pets out. Really nice one with a zipper, multiple access. You want to go back again? You want to see if you want to go back again? Come on. Well, probably not now, but she's gonna do it later. I like it. I do recommend it. We do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.